Today I'm just going to talk about waistbands. Waistbands, a straight waistband, can be any width you want it, and the length I'll explain in a minute. Our first waistband is just with normal interfacing. You can only interface half it, the whole thing, exclude or include the seam allowances, it really doesn't matter. This is an easy waistband to do, so I will just put it on that side. My preferable choice is the slotted interfacing. I love doing this one. It's iron on, it's easy to do, it folds nicely when you work with it, and it's called slotted waistband interfacing. If you buy some, it's usually in a packet and you get it in different widths and different colors. Now, first I just measure my waist. Now, if I want to measure my waist, I actually mean where you like to wear your waistband. Because on some occasions, we actually like to wear our waistband a little bit lower than our actual waist. So if I talk about the waist measurement, that's where you take the waist measurement, not on the actual waist, where you like to wear your waistband. So some people do wear it on their waist, others of us like to wear it a little bit lower, and the younger generation likes it quite low. So that's your waist measurement, okay? So I take my waist measurement, I subtract half an inch of it, and this way around, and then I mark my center front. So this will be my first center front with the seam allowances there, 1/4 inch, 5/8, whatever you like to work with. And then I take that measurement, subtract half an inch, and I mark the other side of my center front. This is when we've got a center front zip that we do the closure and put the garment on. It works with skirts or trousers, okay? Exactly the same thing. So that's my waist measurement, less half an inch, because we need the waistband actually smaller than the actual waist of your garment, because the waist of the garment is actually eased on top of the waistband, okay? Then we halve that by getting the two center fronts together. That will be our center back. We halve both those two again. That will be our side seams mark. So this is all notches that we do when we sew this all together, okay? Before I actually, so half of that was my first mark of my side seam, but our back pattern of our skirt or trousers is usually smaller than the front part. So I move my side seams 1/4 inch to the back, okay? So the back part is a little bit smaller than the front parts of my waistband. So that's your 4 markings that you need. And on this side, you just need any amount for your overlap, okay? Because we're gonna fold this, sew this onto the garment, and then we're gonna have an overlap. So on this one, I'll have my buttonhole. On that one, I'll have my button, okay? So when it's finished, it will look something like this on your body. So this is the side we'll call the overlap, and this is the side we'll call the underlap. And I'll explain that in more videos.